Today at Camp Nou, the pace of construction is reaching another level. Ceramic slats are rising rapidly, with entire sections already completed and new pieces being installed with precision. At the same time, massive structural boxes are being lifted into position, marking the beginning of the roof structure taking shape. On the lateral side, what seemed like a quiet moment quickly turned into a major highlight, as a second massive pillar is now being lifted just hours after the first, showing incredible coordination and non-stop progress. At this pace, key upper sections could be completed sooner than expected. In today's update, we cover the biggest moments you can't miss. In the tribune section, steady progress continues along the front facade. New sandwich panels have expanded coverage, though some sections remain incomplete. Structural connections are coated with anti-corrosion material, showing finishing work is underway. Elevated platforms stay active as crews adjust connecting beams, while concrete work continues in upper sections, reflecting consistent development. Ceramic llama installation is progressing at an impressive pace. The lower section is nearly complete, with only small gaps previously near the pillar. Work has moved upward, where several llamas are already secured. A new piece is being lifted into position using a crane and platforms. Strong vertical progress continues as this section moves toward completion. An incredible moment on site as these massive structural boxes are now being lifted into position, a clear sign that the stadium is truly coming to life. This marks the beginning of the roof structure taking shape, something fans have been waiting to see for years. The precision, the scale, and the progress are simply outstanding. This is where the transformation becomes visible to everyone. On the lateral side, what seemed like a quiet moment quickly became a major highlight. Just hours after one pillar was installed, a second massive pillar is now being lifted with precise crane control. The coordination and speed here are outstanding. Following yesterday's roof ring installation, this shows construction is moving at an incredible pace without interruption. Solid progress is visible in this corner section. Several support structures are already installed across the brackets, with more connection points clearly prepared for the next phase. Work is moving step by step, and it's clear that once the remaining connections are secured, additional supports will be placed very soon. At the same time, workers are actively fine-tuning installed components, tightening and securing connections to ensure stability. We can also see temporary structures being removed, which is always a great sign. It means that phase is now complete and the project is moving forward. There's fresh activity in the cafeteria diamond zone as well. Teams are preparing to install a new frame, similar to what we've already seen completed in nearby sections. Everything suggests that glazing and finishing work will follow soon, bringing this area closer to its final look. Wrapping up in the corner area, there's moderate but steady activity. Equipment and cranes are positioned to support upcoming installations, especially around the elevator structures. Attention now shifts toward the south end gap, a key section that could see major progress in the coming days. With uninterrupted work time ahead, this area has strong potential to be completed soon. That wraps up today's Camp Nou construction update. The project continues to move forward with steady and visible progress across key areas. If you enjoyed this update, make sure to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next one. We'll be back soon with more updates.